Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you 22 Gmail tips and tricks for 2025. Okay, let's get started. Tip number 1, want to unsend an email? By default, you have 5 seconds, but you can extend it to 30 seconds. Just go to the settings, and then view all settings, and then tap on general tab, and then on the cancel tip mode, just change to 30 seconds. Tip number 2, need to send an email later? Just click right and then make your email and go to the arrows next to send button, schedule delivery, and then pick your time. Tip number 3, to check your schedule email, just go to the left sidebar and then click schedule. Tip number 4, you can press shift plus question mark to see all Gmail keyboard shortcuts. Tip number 5, you can add dots or even words to your Gmail address and they will still go to the same inbox. Like example, I will write the address like this. It will still go to the same inbox. It's like you have multiple address on just one inbox. So it's perfect for filters or signing up to multiple websites using one email. And then tip number 6, you can switch your Gmail look with themes. Just go to the settings again and then choose your themes. Like this one. Next, tips number 7, you can also enable a split pane to view emails side by side. Just go to the settings again and then scroll down until you find the reading panel. And then just choose the to the right of the inbox. And you will have a view like this. Tip number 8, want to use Gmail offline? Just go to the settings and view all settings and then go to the offline tab and then enable offline email. If you want to open the email, just go to the mail.google.com. And just take a note, this feature will use your PC storage. Next, tips number 9. If you're tired of typing the same replies, you can make a template. Just go to the settings and then advanced, then enable the template features. And if you wanna make a template, just go to the compose box and then click these 3 dots icons and then go to the templates, and here you can save a new template or use the old template. Next, tips number 10, not ready to read an email? Just click the clock icon to snooze it for later. And then tip number 11, if you have many replies in a thread and wanna mute it, just right click on your email and then do not show or mute. And tip number 12, if you unmute the email, just type mute on the search bar and then right click your email and then click show again. Tip number 13, you can use colored stars to stay organized. Just go to the settings and then general and then scroll down and then on the star feature just choose your star. Tip number 14, you can create multiple email signatures for different users. Just go to the email compose windows and then click pen icon, manage your signature and then create your new signature. Tips number 15, if you want to set a vacation responder so people know you are away, just go to settings and then general and then scroll down and set your auto replay dates and messages. This one. Tip number 16, you can use confidential mode to make email expired. Just click on your compose windows, click this lock icon and then set the expiration, and even you can add a passcode if needed. Tip number 17, when read emails at the top, just go to the settings and then scroll down and on the inbox types, choose the unread first. Tip number 18, you can organize your email with labels. like folders. Just go to the left sidebar and then create a new labels. You can even nest labels under others. Next, tips number 19. You can clean up an email that disturb you. Go to the search and type unsubscribe. With these steps, you can archive or delete them fast. Tip number 20. You can use filters to auto-label or archive or delete the emails. Click these icons on the search bar and set your criteria and then just click create a filter. This one. And then you can choose the actions and then create a filter. Tip number 21. Running out of space. Search by file size to find big attachment. Just click on the filter icons on the search bar. Then on the size part, adjust your size that you want. And then search the email. After that, you can delete unnecessary emails. And the last tip, if you wanna need someone to manage your inbox, just make a grant Gmail access in settings, then view all settings, and go to the accounts and import. Scroll down and then add another account on grant access to your account options. It's perfect if you have an assistant and you can even keep messages marked as unread. So you won't miss the important message. And that's it. I hope these tips can help you. If this was useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.